think this is important, not to have a diverse team. So sometimes I think because maybe they are afraid about technology, because also you are developing other kind of career path. They are afraid. It's like, wow, this is engineering, this is so technical, because also when you sell the product, you at least need to have a background. And maybe they don't feel comfortable with this one, or DDD has the imposter syndrome that I'm not capable. So I encourage all of them to avoid to have this feeling and really come and see. It's very interesting role, so really encourage to know more about it and try it. This is the most important thing always in the life, no? Try the things, and then if you don't like it, then reject. But don't from the beginning say, oh, I'm not capable to do it, and this is so difficult, I have no background, I have no idea what is it, because it's new. It's new for all of us, for engineer, for other kind of career, economics, sales manager, marketing. So there is a new role, so this is a good opportunity to build the pillars. So please come and join us, because this adventure is very nice, and between all of us, for sure, we will achieve the goal.